Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically you subscribe to Kindle Unlimited but you are done with it now. Maybe you aren't using it anymore or you just want to avoid the next chore. Well, good news, canceling Kindle Unlimited is quick if you know where to look, and even better, you usually keep access until the billing period ends. So in today's small tutorial, I will walk you through it step by step, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, you either go to the Amazon app on Android or iOS, or you go all the way to Amazon.com, the website, log in using your email address and password, then go to your account settings. After this, you can check memberships and subscriptions from here. So as you see guys, we have multiple options: subscribe and save, Audible audiobooks, one medical membership for Prime members, Prime Video and Amazon Pay merchant agreements. Tap Kindle Unlimited, then choose cancel membership. Then confirm the cancellation. As for some tips, you can keep reading until your current billing cycle ends, so keep it in mind. Amazon may offer a discount or free month before even you cancel. Cancel at least 24 hours before renewal to avoid any charges. You can also resubscribe anytime without losing your account. It's basically easy. And that's the main idea here. So as I told you, you can even access all of these subscriptions. If you want to cancel any of them also, you can do so. You can even go to your accounts, check the Prime membership as well. If you want to get it, if you want to cancel it, it depends on you. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.